Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get home button on iPhone screen, so let's start. So first let's go to settings. Here on settings, just scroll down a little bit and then let's go to accessibility. Just press here and then just scroll down and let's go to touch. Just click here and then let's go to assistive touch. Just click here. As you can see, I have activated. This is the button, but if I deactivate it, it disappears. So if you want to activate it, just click here and this button will appear once again. As you can see, now you can click here and go to the home without any problem, and you don't need to press any button, only with that. So that's it. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please write on the comments. And if this helps you, please don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching.